So guys, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous video that I did when I was fixing the toilet, obviously I took quite a few bits and pieces off it to get to what I needed to do, and I also took the panel off. So what I thought I'd do was show you what I was doing behind the toilet in this concealed toilet. Now they're not easy to work on, and you quite often can't see where anything's leaking if there is a leak. But when you do pull them out, you end up having to change the pan connector. Now in this case the pan connector had failed on it, and I thought, well, we might as well replace some of the seals as well, including the bung on the inlet of the toilet. So in this video I'm just going to show you how to replace that, and also how to get the panel off the toilet, just in case you were looking for a video that explained on how to do that. So watch this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. So here we are, this is the toilet in question, and I have put this back just to show you how to get the panel off behind. Now it's already loose. I've taken all the screws and everything out, but you'll find two screws, one either side of the toilet usually, and these are screwed into a couple of brackets underneath the toilet. Yeah, so there's one either side, and all you need to do is remove them, and this should loosen the toilet enough so you can just slide it out. Now the pan connector and everything should just detach, if anything, and all you need to do is pull the panel up and then out. It should come out. This one was a bit more difficult. It does have these clips on the back which are designed to be pulled up on the panel, and then they just clip onto these brackets on the unit. So this is an accessible panel, and there you can see the pan connector behind it's causing a few problems. There is a leak underneath there on the toilet, but there was also a little leak round the top there. This connector does not go into the soil pipe enough. It's literally half an inch. It's not enough, and I think the seals disappeared down into the soil pipe somewhere. So I'm going to have to get that out before we go any further, and see what we can do with that. We have a replacement here. This is a flexible one, so this should make it easier if we do have any problems in the future with this toilet. The flexible ones are better for this type of installation because it's just easier to get them on and off for the toilet. So we're replacing this bung. This is a standard plastic one, which they are not the best to use. You're better off with the black rubber ones. They tend to grip the toilet a lot better, although this one's a bit of a problem to get. I'll get it off later. So here we have the soil pipe. I've got the old rubber out to the left there, you see, so give it a bit of a clean and a wipe down to make sure there's nothing on it that might cause another leak. So we're offering the new one in. They just push into place quite easily. So that's got a couple of inch now in that soil pipe. That's how much you need in the soil pipe. So the next thing we do is obviously offer it up and make sure we have enough there. This needed about half an inch cutting off the pipe, which I did that with the multi-tool. Cut about half an inch off the soil pipe just to lower the pan connector down a bit more. And there we are, just offering it back up again to get it into position. It should be the right height now for the toilet. And there you go. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. That I've replaced the bung there with the black one. That's a black rubber one. Now they are quite tight to get in, but once you get them in, it gives you a nice tight seal, which is what you need. And also around the back there for the toilet. So once you've done all that, you need to replace the panel. So you have to leave yourself enough room to get the panel in on the toilet, and it should just slide back into place. I'm going to have to put the camera down in a minute just to make sure it's in, because I need both my hands. I am holding the camera as well at the same time. As you can see, I'm sliding it down, and then it just needs pushing in underneath the top panel, and then maybe just a tap or something. There you go. I've put the camera down and done it. Now it's all nice and secure in place. Now it's got onto the brackets. You can prise it down carefully with a chisel or some flat implement, and it should get a good grip of the brackets behind. So then all you need to do is push the toilet back into position. It should mate up with the brackets underneath, and you need to screw it back in. So I'm just using a stubby screwdriver because there isn't enough room to get the battery drill in. I did use the battery drill so far on that side and then use the screwdriver. You don't want to use the battery drill too much on that because you will de-thread it inside if you're not careful. So the next thing to do is just run some silicone around the back of the toilet and down the sides. This will just give it a nice finish, and obviously any water then that may be caused by using it, namely urine or anything else in cleaning, won't run down and start damaging the wood. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's sorted the toilet there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.